Whew. Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. It is 10:20 in the morning. We just finished the Apple pre-order. Well, finished that a couple hours ago, but I was doing a live stream. You guys can check that out if you want to see the full pre-order experience. Let me tell you, this year it was a stressful one. So I started refreshing about 7:59 on Eastern time, so it went live at 8 a.m. for me. I started refreshing the page about 8 a.m., 7:59 a.m. I had my iPad mini here with the Apple Store app. I was, refreshing and opening and closing that app, and I actually got in on the iPad first, and they had a section on here. Let me see if it still shows up. Yeah. So right here, they have a section called Devices for Pre-Order, right there, and I would go there and I would get this, please wait while we access your iPhone pre-order information. And of course it says it's no longer available now because I already pre-ordered it, but that would not load. I could not get it to come up whatsoever, would not load. I tried that for 10 minutes and could not get it to come up. I finally got in on the Apple website. I got the little banner saying, I had the saved phone for pre-order and it was ready to check out. And 20 minutes after pre-orders went live, I had people in my live stream saying that they already got their order in, blah, blah. Some people were saying other phones, the order dates were starting to slip, and I was getting real worried because order dates were starting to slip and I wasn't on the website yet. Finally got in, and somehow I still got the September 22nd delivery for my 256 Pro Max in black titanium. I didn't get natural titanium or blue. Blue was actually the color that lasted the longest for order dates for shipping. Natural titanium went first, but it was crazy. Normally it takes like 5 minutes to get in at max. I think in the last 2 or 3 years, it's been 2 to 5 minutes is how long it's taken me before the website to come up and I'm able to get my order through. But this year, I think the order demand was high this year because the app kept crashing, the website wasn't coming up, I kept getting 503 errors. It was pretty crazy. So if you guys want to check out that live stream, it is on the channel still. For the whole pre-order experience, you can see when I went through the pre-order and what it took to get in. I'm also going to link a Discord down in the description. It's my Discord we started for the pre-order community where you guys can talk about your pre-orders, track your pre-orders, and I'm going to show you guys on that Discord how to get your tracking information before Apple gives it to you. That way you can actually track your iPhones with UPS the whole process before Apple tells you that they're shipped, because Apple likely won't tell you that they're shipped until the day before you get it, but they're really on their journey long before that. So over in that Discord, we're going to be tracking all that kind of stuff and doing all that over there, so make sure you guys join and we'll have some fun over there while we wait for our new iPhones. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.